फ्रेशर हो, जॉब चाहिए, डेटा इंजीनियरिंग एंड डेटा एनालिटिक्स इज़ द बेस्ट ऑप्शन। आईटी कंपनी में हो, बेंच पे हो, प्रोजेक्ट चाहिए, डेटा इंजीनियरिंग इज़ द बेस्ट ऑप्शन। एक ही कंपनी में बहुत टाइम हो गया है, स्विच करना है, डेटा इंजीनियरिंग इज़ द बेस्ट ऑप्शन। नाउ वन थिंग इज़ कॉमन इन डेटा इंजीनियरिंग एंड दैट इज़ SQL। सो अगर SQL सीखना है फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग, फ्रॉम द स्क्रैच, then this SQL Job Mastery Course is the best option for you. बहुत सारे SQL coaches आपसे कहेंगे they will teach you SQL, but SQL में what they will teach you, they will not tell you. I will tell you in this course हम क्या क्या कवर करने वाले हैं, वो भी in depth. We'll cover clauses in SQL, aggregate function, single row functions, all kind of joins, in depth, OLAP functions, set operators, subquery, correlated subqueries, views, simple views, complex views, materialized views, case statements, common table expressions, and all kind of DDL and DML statement with practical hands-on. We'll give you the entire code to all of you with the complete study material, with the complete study guide, with a course completion certificate. Each and every module code is attached in the description box, which will help you to go step by step. And do you know what is the USP of this course? The course is specially designed to crack the interview. So अगर high paying job चाहिए, then stay with me till the end of the course and we'll do practical in entire course which will clear your concept from the scratch. I can guarantee you this course can change your career. So start your journey with me and see you in the course.